Repair Clinic makes fixing things easy, with millions of replacement parts available on our website and the help you need to do the repair yourself. Since we encourage you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the inner door glass in your electric range, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Fully open the oven door and rotate both door hinge locks back. Partially close the door, then lift and pull the door toward you to remove. With the handle side down, set the door on a sturdy surface. Use a Phillips head screwdriver or a No. 2 square drive bit to unthread the 3 screws at the bottom of the door assembly. Next, unthread the 2 screws in the upper corners. With the screws unthreaded, lift out the inner door panel. Set the inner panel on a blanket with the hinges facing up. You will now need to uninstall the 2 hinges. Unthread the 2 bottom screws first. Unthread the 3rd screw on the outside of the door panel, and you can fully remove the hinge. Repeat for the opposite side. Now lift the inner panel up and place a towel under the glass. You can now unthread the remaining 6 screws, securing the inner door glass brackets. Set the inner door liner aside and remove the appropriate sheet of glass, if still intact. Install the new inner door glass by aligning it in the frame. Reposition the inner door liner. Then realign each glass bracket and thread the screws loosely. Once all of the brackets are in place, tighten the screws. Reinstall both door hinges. Join the inner and outer door panels together. Thread the 5 screws to secure. Reinstall the oven door by inserting the door hinges into the hinge slots at a 45-degree angle. Lower the door to its fully open position, then rotate the hinge locks forward. plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply, and the electric range should be ready for use. At Repair Clinic, we make fixing things easy. Thank you for supporting the production of these videos by purchasing your parts from our website.